Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your YouTube music playlist into a digital mixtape that you and your friends can build together using your Android device. This is a great way to share music tastes and discover new tracks in real time. So the first thing that we want to do is open the YouTube Music app, and then we want to tap on the Library tab in the bottom right corner. From here, select the playlist you want to share with others. Before we enable collaboration, there's one vital thing. Your playlist cannot be private. If it is, the collaborate option will be grayed out. Tap the pencil edit icon near the top. Under the privacy drop-down, make sure it's set to either public or unlisted. Public means anyone can search for it, while unlisted means only people with your link can see it. Now that it's shareable, tap the Collaborate button. You'll see a toggle that says collaborators can add videos. On your phone, it might say add songs and videos. Switch this on. You might notice it mentions videos specifically. Don't worry if you only want to add music. YouTube Music is a video-centric platform, and even official audio tracks are often categorized as music videos within the system. Once this is on, your friends will be able to add both official songs and music videos directly from this list. So once the toggle is active, a unique option here to invite collaborators shows up. You'll have a link, and you can copy the link and share it whatever way that you want to share it, whether it's via text, email, or social media. So I will go into my WhatsApp and share the link. And then all I would have to do is hit send. And anyone with this link can now become a member and start adding their favorite tracks. If you run into issues where the option is still grayed out, double check your internet connection or try clearing your app cache in your profile settings under privacy and data. Also remember that for your friends to add music, they will need their own YouTube account. And that's it.